What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Adrian and this is an Amazon FBA channel. So if you are interested in those type of topics, or you are an Amazon seller, hit that subscribe button. We post here every time about Amazon, about selling, about all the stuff. I drop value on every video. So in this video want to show you how uh, an Amazon seller or like anyone selling on Amazon can make £200 per hour doing that. So let's jump into the video. So okay, £200 per hour seems a very big sum to do or to make, but in reality, in the internet era, it's like nothing. £200 per hour, I mean, is nothing. So it's actually, I think, for an entrepreneur that sell on Amazon, it's not something wow extraordinary. I mean, there are people like making £10,000 per hour. So but I want to talk about like achievable results, so like normal people with not extraordinary knowledge or extraordinary experience can do. So I think £200 per hour, it's very achievable on Amazon. If you like, even starting now, if you have like less than 6 months selling, you can do that. So how basically this work and what is the thought process behind this income? So I'm talking about my experience. I don't talking about like something I see on YouTube or wherever, but I'm talking about what I'm doing. And yesterday I was sourcing a deal, and like the entire process it took me like 1 hour. So how is that working? By the way, if you want to know the deal which I made, stay till the end and I will show you the deal. Actually, I have these wholesalers that keep sending me products, and I mean sending me, they showing me if I want to buy it and resell it. So yesterday they sent me this email with like 100 products, and I done the research and I chose one, and yeah, I see what's selling on Amazon, what I can resell for, and what he actually wanted for the product. And the entire process was taking me 1 hour to do the research and do all the stuff that is needed. And basically in this deal I have like £200 profit of investment of 200. So what I did, I done the research, I paid the product, I make the shipment, so I ship it straight to the Amazon warehouses without coming to myself, because I'm like I'm sourcing from like this supplier like 6 months or something, and all the time I ship the product to myself to check it, to verify it's everything okay. But now I'm trusting every time it's all good, that I never have any issue with them, and so I can do that. I can ship the item straight away to the Amazon warehouses, so again will be less hassle for me, and Amazon will deal with everything, which is like their job, right? So yeah, pretty much like this is kind of the thought process of like how you can make £200 per hour. But like if the inventory, if it sells is like in 3 weeks, let's say, it still will be £200 per hour, because all my time which I locked in sourcing the deal and do all the step, like work that I did, was 1 hour of work. That's it. It doesn't matter if the inventory sell in 1 day or in 3 weeks. The entire work that you input in is 1 hour. It's not. And like if you have a 9 to 5 job, I mean, you never will be able to generate this income, because you will be paid hourly basis. It doesn't matter how much value you bring in this hour, you will earn the same amount of money, right? And the truth is also on the opposite side. If I make a bad deal and I lose money on this deal, I mean, I'm in the red. But this is how things work. If you don't know to make deals, you probably will lose money. So now I'll jump into my computer and I show you the actual deal and the math behind it. So basically the deal is this book here. It's not a book. It's I don't know the English word for this. It's a notebook. Yeah, it's a notebook. So yeah, it's kind of simple, right? And I mean, it's how you have to make it simple. Um, it's selling for $6.90 now on Amazon on the Prime, and how you can see all this graph, it's meaning that it's selling a lot, because this is like the sales rank, and you see it's 24,000, 20,000, and so on, under 50,000 all the time. So under 50,000 all the time, it's under 50,000, it's a product that sells basically at least, I don't know, 100 units a month, at least, if not more. Like 25,000, it will be like 200 units a month, but let's say 100 to be conservative. And here is this is, by the way, it's a Helium 10. It's a plugin extension with that show you this graph. If you don't have it, you're not going to be able to see it. And yeah, as you can see here, it's another extension, Keepa, for keeping up. It's tracking the price, and how you can see, it's very low now. The price actually can go even higher. This was selling like in September. This is 2009. No, September. Yeah, was like £10 sold by Amazon. So again, do you see all this here? It's like now it's cheap at this price. So I bought. Let's see here. I bought 113 units of this in total. And if I pull up my calculator here, so, and I do the math, what I actually paid for this. 113 units. I pay like £203 for all of them. So 203 divided by 113. So basically I paid 179, 180 for each of these, and I pay something a little bit for shipping, to ship to the Amazon warehouse, I think an extra £10. So yeah, 179, 180. So if this is the price that I'm able to sell, you see product cost, I put here 180, so 228 profit will be. And if I multiply 228 by 113 units, will be 257 pounds in profit, and minus some like the shipping that here is not calculated. To this app doesn't know how much because you have to pay to ship the stuff to Amazon, but actually I pay only £10. So if I deduct here £10, which 247, so actually it's even more than £200 per hour. It's actually 247. Obviously this money is actually profit. It's 100%, more than 120% profit. So actually this money will be like, on this money I have to pay taxes, so it'll be like minus 20%, like it'll be like £200 pure profit that I taking home at the end of the day. And yeah, imagine if you can source, if you stay 10 hours a day in front of your computer and sourcing deals, and on every one of those you have £200 profit. It's £2,000 a day easy. But this is like small deals of £200. But if you have deals with worth £10,000, £20,000, imagine the possibility. Imagine how much money it's possible to make. And yeah, this is pretty much the video of the day. So if you stayed so long I will like to thank you. uh, don't forget to like, comment below if you have any question, and I'll see you in the next time. Cheers, bye bye.